question that we intend to focus on.
South African attorneys make a simple argument.
We are a sovereign state, and sovereign states, as you would know, are governed by rules and procedure.
They say when Sudan's President Omar al-Bashir traveled to South Africa for an African Union conference in 2015, he had diplomatic immunity. However, the International Criminal Court has a warrant for Bashir's arrest. He's wanted for genocide, accused of being behind the death of some 300,000 people in the Sudanese region of Darfur. But South Africa says internal law prohibits it from arresting sitting heads of state.
Every intergovernmental conference that is hosted by South Africa is done so on the basis of a host country agreement. Each and every one of these host country agreements, not some, not most, every one of them contains immunity provisions.
ICC prosecutors and human rights advocates say South Africa had both a legal and a moral duty to arrest President Bashir. This row between the ICC and South Africa pushed President Jacob Zuma to start the process of withdrawing from the ICC last year. But without getting Parliament's approval, Zuma's application has been repealed. So the ICC and South Africa remain partners who are at odds. Now that judges have heard South Africa's argument, it could take weeks for them to decide if the country violated ICC law. If they do find South Africa guilty, there's little formal punishment to dole out, but observers say a guilty verdict would greatly diminish the country's moral authority. Kevin Ozebek, CGTN, Brussels.